because I'm going to go for a ride in an old Model A truck. So stay tuned. We're going to have a little fun. So we're going for a little ride, and this is all you get for controls back then. This is up top, that's the gas gauge.
Yeah.
This is a battery meter of some kind. That's the speedometer. We're going 10 miles an hour. And this thing has some number, 31,807 miles on it. So this is just the coolest thing ever. I've never been in a car like this before. Or a truck, actually.
Probably
like
never
this.
will again. And this place up here is where the school teacher went.
Well guys, this is Main Street, and I just got permission on the whole block by this nice gentleman here that gave me a tour of his vehicles that he keeps for fun. So I'm going to take a look around, see what I can find. Be back with you at the next home.
It's the #1 thing we carry along for you. No, wait a minute. See? Then we have this along for the other side of it. Now wait a minute. Wait.
And that's for camping.
And this is for camping.
Uh-huh.
This is all the equipment we need.
I don't understand.
You don't? Oh my way, then we'll have to start over.
Now, is this original to the vehicle?
Yes, it is.
It's in beautiful condition.
Well,
It was garaged. It had to have been.
this vehicle came from Scottsdale, Arizona, and I bought it up in one of these towns up here.
Uh-huh.
But see, now if you had a mother-in-law that you really wanted to give a ride to, well, we have a seat for her, just for her, not for you.
Oh my gosh.
And then she can cover up her head so she doesn't have to see where she's going.
Isn't this where you let the dog ride?
Oh, no dogs in here. No.